Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to tag someone in a TikTok video. So to begin, just open your TikTok application and then try to create a post. Okay, so just tap on the plus icon and then record your video. So let's record our video and then just tap on the checked mark icon. And then just click on this arrow that is facing downwards. Okay, and then you'll be able to see the stickers. So just click on the stickers and then you'll be able to see the mention option. So just tap on it. Then from there, you'll be able to mention a TikTok user. Okay, so for example, this user, this Filipino actress. So you can zoom in or zoom out to adjust the size of the mentioned name. Okay, and then just click on next and then click on post. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.